Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your exported PDF from Goodnotes is missing clickable hyperlinks, it usually means the export settings or file format didn't preserve them. Here is how to fix it properly. First thing, make sure links are actual hyperlinks. So check inside your notes, for example, links added via text tool, imported PDFs with embedded links. So just write in www.example.com. By hand won't work. So if needed, retype links using text tool. Okay, okay. So use the correct export format. So when exporting, tap share, okay, and then choose PDF and select editable PDF if available. So this keeps hyperlinks active. Avoid flattened PDF. Okay, so you can also disable flattened PDF options. So you're in export settings, make sure flattened PDF equals off. Okay, so which means PDF, this flattened PDF option is off. So flattening removes links and interactive elements. Okay, check source file type. So if original file had links, they should export. If you created the file manually, ensure links were inserted correctly, because imported PDFs usually preserve links better. Okay, you can test links before export. So inside Goodnotes, tap the link, confirm it opens. If it doesn't work here, won't work in PDF. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.